These battery-powered pruning shears cut through tree branches with a click of the finger.
Water transfer printing is also known as hydro dipping.
This innovative chain handsaw cuts down a grown tree in less than 10 seconds.
Rapid rotation and a sharp blade work together to expose the concentric rings on a new saucepan. Pesky weeds get removed quickly with this unique drill attachment. The arm of this pasta cutting machine rotates in a circular motion to cut ribbed elbow pasta. Five mechanical parts move in perfect synchronicity to bind the links on a heavy-duty chain. Identical pieces of ice blocks are cut to size quickly by the use of a vertical table saw blade. An arm with a flexible blob on it is dipped into a silkscreen pattern to decorate a bowl.
This welding tool uses a laser beam to attach two pieces of metal together. A handheld electric tool easily strips a series of huge wires in just seconds. This cutter tool creates the illusion of real brick on a flat slab of wet concrete.
By melting a water bottle cap, a busted wire is easily repaired.
Here's a dirty rug getting rejuvenated to its original color.
A triangular metal template moves vertically to perfectly score triangular cuts that form a piece of expanded metal.
How blueberries get harvested.
This lawnmower operates itself thanks to a spool of contracting rope.
This motorized log splitter uses a metal beak in a circular motion to divide a stump.
Here's a tool used to fill in long concrete cracks in one single motion.
These tile pros set floor tiles super quickly thanks to their tile spacing jig tool.